Ko wai Ngā Tohu Reo Māori.
They don't just talk about supporting Te Reo Māori, they live it. From the office to the stadium, you see and hear Te Reo Māori everywhere.
Kua roa tō tātou sensei e tuku ana I tana katoa.
Tahi!
Ka mitu a te whakawhenua I Te Reo Māori ki roto I ngā mahi nei.
I love that she speaks Māori on social media. Cooking and learning Te Reo Māori at the same time, mi haro.
They created this space for us to speak Te Reo Māori.
He mō wai māku hei here atu.
Our reo is getting stronger, one cup at a time.
I feel fortunate to work for a company that embraces Te Reo Māori.
Te Reo Māori thrives because people choose to teach it.
Share it and let it be heard in our homes and communities.
We see them.
You see them. It's time to celebrate them together.
Nominations are open now for Ngā Tohu Reo Māori 2026. Mauri ora.